Good morning, everybody. What's up, Team Bull? Good morning. Team Bull and Mentees. Notice what we rejected off of on the S&P futures last night. Was anybody in the prep class? You can see exactly what we rejected off of if you were in there. What's up, TikTok? What's up, Tube? As always, if you guys could, make sure to double tap that screen. It helps a lot when I first go live. If you're watching on Tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated. But good morning, and let's hopefully find some winning trades this week. Let's see, post live trading link. Boom. Live trading link. Boom. Now just gotta tell the gram that we are live. How was everybody's weekend? You guys do anything exciting? Let's see live. Bit. I'm just getting this posted up and then we're good. Okay. Bang. I mean, I would like to see us get above that supply on ES. Talked about it yesterday and failing to get above it. So, I mean, I'm kind of bearish right now, to be honest. Maybe get below pre-market low, wherever that ends up being, and we can look to look for shorts. But I would like to see us get above supply if we're going to get more upside. So, yeah, we had a pretty big supply from 78.21 up to 78.32 on ES, and we rejected off of that. And we talked about it yesterday. Let's see. Who do we got in here? Good morning, Joseph. Good morning, Don. Good morning, Trader 007 NQ T Shambe. When it comes to intraday drawdown, pretty much don't oversize and don't be stupid. That's all it is. I know it sounds very simple, but that's really all it comes down to. Because the intraday drawdown, it's only going to be an issue if you oversize. Does that make sense? So just do the same thing. Scale out of your position, move your stop loss up, look to capture a larger move. That's it. And slowly scale out of your position. Let's see, share my screen. Boom. Again, if you guys are watching on TikTok, make sure to double tap that screen and be greatly appreciated. It helps a lot with the algo, especially when I first go live. So clean your finger off, double tap that screen. Again, it helps a lot. Appreciate the follow, Air. And if you guys are new, look at the top left, top right. If it says follow, that means you are not following. So make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Live trade for you guys every single day, 30 minutes before market open. Good morning, Jeff. Good morning, everybody else on the tube who has not joined yet. But good morning to you guys, or who has not typed yet, sorry. There we go. Now the TikTok's rocking. That's what I like to see. Happy Monday. What's up, Team Bull? How's everybody's weekend? You guys do anything fun? Or everybody just sat there and was thinking about trading with Brandon on Monday? Because if so, that's okay. What's up, Jalapeno? Josh, Graham, Mariano, Jenksman, Wes, OBJ. Good morning. We got some good setups this week, so hopefully the market can follow through. Morning, Patrick. Again, everybody on the TikTok, now that we got more of you guys, look at that top left, top right corner. If it says follow, that means you are not following yet. Make sure that you guys hit it. I live trade every single day, 30 minutes before market open. And live trade for the first like hour and a half, 2 hours. So I stay live for about 2.5 hours every day for New York market open. So again, if it says follow up there, make sure you guys hit it. Morning set futures. Ray Razin, I think is how you say it. Alan, MGC trader, Jeff. Good morning. Good morning. Got 23 minutes until market open. If you guys got questions in the meantime, feel free to ask, especially while we're just chilling right now. Would like to see if we do set a pre-market low. That way with pre-market low, we have like an area that we can short. So I do want to wait for that. Is that a book map? Yes, I always use book map in my order flow to identify trades. Yes. The dotted line is a 21 EMA. I have more moving averages on my other screen, but I like to keep my streaming chart very, very clean. So I'll typically use the 8 EMA, 21 EMA, and VWAP. Those are the 3 that I use intraday. But clean chart, 21 EMA. Also, if you're watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. I'm live over there right now as well. If you want to come tap in, BrandonTrades on the tube. You should know what the tube is. 1,800 videos, 140,000 subs. The goal is to hit 150,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I think we can do it. We're on track to like just barely hit it. So, yeah, if you guys want to come tap in, BrandonTrades on the tube. Let's see. Yep, got the webinar tonight as well. Yes, sir. Set futures. $7 p.m. EST. If you can't make it, it will be recorded. Let me actually put a link to that too, in case you guys haven't signed up yet. All right. If you're on the tube and you haven't signed up for the free webinar, there's a link right there. I'll pin it as well. There you go. I should see all of you in there. It's completely free. What you guys watching today, Team Bull? Anything on the radar? Charting now. I mean, I'm not opposed to shorts below pre-market lows. Rejected pretty hard off of that ES supply. So I'd say for me, get above pre-market highs on NQ, 30,343. I like more upside. Get below 30,180, which is that pre-market low. I like shorts. As far as ES, I mean, 78.21 all the way up to 78.32 is still a supply zone. So get above supply, I like more upside, get below 7,800. I like shorts. And then we have demand down at 77.90, 77.89, technically. So, Jason, let's crush it today. Remember, A+ setups only. The market gives us an A+ setup. We take the trade, use proper risk management. No A+ setup, no trade. We did not trade Thursday or Friday. There was no setups. So I'm willing to go a third day without trades if the market does not offer anything. Got to be very picky with your setups. Again, everybody watching on the TikTok, make sure to hit that follow button. If you're looking at the top left, top right, and it says follow, that means you are not following. So again, make sure you guys hit that, as I live trade every single day for you guys for completely free. All you got to do is hit the follow and join. So again, look at the top left, top right. If it says follow, means you are not following yet. Everybody on the tube, make sure you guys are subscribed as well. I'm sure most of you guys on the tube are subscribed, but if not, make sure to hit it. What other questions we got before market open? Again, feel free to ask. We got 18 minutes until market open. $18 minutes. Trump speaking right now. I mean, ideally, I would like to see price trade to my next key level, but before my first trim, bare minimum, I'm watching a 1 to 1.5 hour trade, you know? So typically I'll look to trim around there. Obviously, if I'm risking 10 points on NQ, I'm not trimming at 10 points. I'm looking for a lot more than that. So, like R multiple, it's kind of subjective to what your risk is. But if I'm risking, 50 points on NQ, then a 50-point trim, that makes sense. So either way, typically I'll look for a 1 to 1.5 hour trade, scale out of my position, put my stop loss at break even, and then capture, 2, 3, 4, 5 R. $30-year bond. Let's see. ZB is going down. What do you mean? Should be going up, right? ZB is a 30-year bond. Yeah, 30-year US Treasury bond futures. It's going down. Let's see. Where's my quarter? There it is. The highest ZB has been is at 192, and it's currently at 108. 192 was back in 2020. See what the 10-year is at. Maybe the 10-year yield? The 10-year yield's at almost at a new high. It's at 5, which means the interest rates mortgage rates are about to go higher. Interesting. Did I go over the watch list? Yes. Above pre-market highs, longs, below pre-market lows, shorts. Then we have demand at, where is it? Really far away on NQ, actually. Yes, 77.90 demand. A little closer. Again, good morning, everybody. We got 15 minutes until market open. Again, trade safe, trade smart today. A plus setups. Patience is going to take you a long way. Don't force trades. And yeah, be disciplined. It's pretty much all you got to do. Patience, discipline will take you a very long way. What questions you guys got? Again, feel free to keep asking while we're just chilling. Happy Monday, Chris. Happy Monday. Break and retest a pre-market low to short, or break and retest a pre-market high to long? Leaning a little more towards the downside just because we're so close to that pre-market low. But we'll see. We will see. Again, if you guys are watching on TikTok, look at that top left, top right. If it says follow, that means you are not following yet. So make sure you guys hit that follow button. I live trade every single day. Everybody watching on the tube, make sure to one, hit that thumbs up because we got about 110 of you in here and only 28 likes. So less than a quarter of you guys have hit that like button so far on the tube. But also make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm sure most of everybody on the tube is. But again, if you are not, make sure to hit it. Be greatly appreciated. Pre-market, it doesn't matter what time frame you're looking at, just the highest and lowest point of the overall pre-market session. Or everything from market close to market open is what I consider. So it doesn't matter if you're looking at 5 minutes, doesn't matter if you're looking at an hour, just literally the highest and lowest point. $12 minutes. I like Tesla, OBJ. Tesla, Nvidia looks pretty good. AMD looks good if it got strength above 525. I like SpaceX this week as well. Above 150, it's a little far away, but we can get it. I like it. We also have FOMC minutes on Wednesday. Appreciate the follows. Let's see. What am I looking at? Again, break and retest for shorts or break and retest for longs above pre-market high. What other questions we got? Bam, we still got 10 minutes until open. I wouldn't say trading's more volatile on Monday. Really depends, to be honest, but I wouldn't say Monday is like the most volatile day. I don't understand any of this. Go to my tube channel. Again, you should know what the tube is. But BrandonTrades, I got 1,800 videos over there. Probably almost 1,900 now, actually. No, 1,800. We'll get to 1,900. But yeah, BrandonTrades on tube. Tons of free education over there. So I have a whole bootcamp series as well. If you type in BrandonTrades bootcamp, I'll pop right up. It's like 30 videos in there. Covered calls. I mean, do you already have the shares or do you not have the shares yet? Because that'll determine. They delayed the early options. It doesn't start yet. It was supposed to today, but they delayed it. It's TBD now, to be determined. But obviously, they'll tell us. 9 minutes. Good morning, fam. All right. Amazon. Let's see. I think we talked about Amazon yesterday. Honestly, I would say with Amazon, just get above pre-market highs and you can look for more continuation. But it's currently in a bull flag. That's what we were talking about yesterday. It's flagging on like the daily and the 4-hour. And actually hitting that 21 EMA. So, I mean, it looks pretty good. I will say that. As long as Amazon can hold 260.50 and not get below there, you're good. But it's currently bouncing off the lower trend line of that flag. If I knew what Amazon was going to do within 2 weeks, I would make $1 million on a trade. So all I can simply do is look at the short term. If we break out of the flag, I would like to see upside. If we lose 260, I would like to see downside. But I don't know exactly what it's going to do within 2 weeks. Sweep a pre-market low. No, I'm looking for a break and retest of that pre-market low or that pre-market high, either way. There he is. I missed you, bruh. You just ignore me like that? I don't like this guy anymore. Who else wants to be co-host? He's banned. Yeah, I'm going to replace you, GD. I don't even know if he can hear me, actually. It's all right. He's coming to Denver in 2 weeks, so he's got to deal with me. I'll make sure I pick him up from the airport and I don't let him leave. What? Saying good morning. That I missed you, and I'm happy to trade with you this week. What was your favorite fight this weekend? In the prelims? Yeah, fire. Yup. How much were tickets there to that one? Bro, what? $380? That's it? Bro. Let's see. Again, good morning, everybody. If you're watching on TikTok, look at the top left, top right. It says follow. That means you are not following yet. So clean off that finger, find that follow button, and make sure you click it. I go live every single day, 30 minutes before market open, and I live trade for you guys. So if you are not following, make sure to do it. Everybody on the tube, we got about 170 of you in here so far and 47 likes. So about a fourth of you guys have hit that like button so far. So make sure you guys hit it. It would be greatly appreciated. All you gotta do is hit the thumbs up, subscribe. But yeah, let's hopefully find a banger today. We did not take a trade on Thursday or Friday, so it's been 2 days without trades, but you know, it is what it is. Patience will pay. But yeah, let's crush it today. Good morning, newbie here and new subscriber. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully I can find a winning trade for you on your first day. And then also, if you guys are watching on TikTok, make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. I'm also live over there right now as well. Tons of free education. Yup, impatience pays with pain. Four minutes. I think I might actually have to restart the TikTok. I think they banned it. See if it fixes within a minute. Patience pays with pain. Yeah, I read the chat. I always do. If I'm not like actively looking at a setup, then I'm looking at my chats. For the link tonight, sign up for tonight's class. Here it is. That webinar link right there. When you sign up, make sure you copy the Zoom link and you have it. Should get an email about it tonight, but if you don't, you know, you have that backup link. But yeah, I would like to see a break below this low and then a retest. Two minutes. Let's get it. Again, trade safe, trade smart, and let's get this bag. Yeah, let me restart the TikTok, everybody. I think it got clapped. So make sure you guys join back in like 30 seconds. Hold on. Let's see. Just paper trading for now. It's all right. Where's my chat? There it is. All right. Bet. As always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Futures trading and options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. It is currently August 17th, 2026 at 7:29 a.m. Mountain Time in beautiful Denver, Colorado. And again, none of this is financial advice. All right, let's crush it. Thinking of a prop firm, I would say if you're going to go the prop firm route, I mean, obviously you can see there's a few at the top of the screen. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid are the four that I recommend. But Take Profit Trader is my favorite. So Take Profit Trader, you can use code Brandon, BRANDON. That's my favorite. If you like any of the other firms, again, Apex, Take Profit, Tradeify, and Lucid, you can use code Brandon there as well, BRANDON. Let's crush it, Team Bull. Remember, A+ setups only, and stay patient. Let's get it. Let's get it. What? I don't see speakers at my front door. A little upset. NQ and ES. I watch them both. Why does this do this every day in market open? Let's see. Exactly. I am responsible if you win and make money, though. That's for sure. Not responsible if we take a loss, but I am responsible if we take a win. Do you also enter on the retest from previous day high, low, and previous pre-market? Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, all of those are break-in retests of key levels. So yes, I watch all of them. And again, if you guys are new on the TikTok, look at that top left, top right. If it says follow, that means you are not following yet. Make sure to hit it. It'd be greatly appreciated. Live trade for you guys every single day. Yep, we blame the losses on GD. Exactly. Exactly. And again, if you guys are watching on the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated. Got 230 of you on the tube right now and only 64 likes. So still about a fourth of you guys. Is that all we have today, Dara? 10 a.m.? Or do we have 9:45? Just 10. Cool. Let's crush it. What are you guys watching? TikTok and Tube? What you got on your radar? And I'm leaning a little more bearish if we can get below these pre-market lows. Yes, it's trading at it right now. See if we can get below it. Also, if you guys are watching on TikTok, if you want to sign up for my free webinar that I'm doing tonight, make sure you guys go to the link in my bio. There's a link there. Click it. It takes 5 seconds to sign up. You'll get an email about it. But it's a completely free webinar. I'm not there to sell you on a mentorship. Honestly, just giving you guys free education. So if you guys want to tap in, again, the link is in my bio. Just click my profile, click the link. It takes 5 seconds to sign up. See if this ES can get below this low. Just trying. It's getting a pretty nice move down below it. Good morning. All right, we're getting a pretty weak candle below pre-market lows on ES. Trading at Friday's low. See what happens if we pop back up in a 78.01 on ES. Not really seeing a whole lot of sellers, but we'll see. NQ is not below that level too. which is, I'd like to see NQ below pre-market lows if we're going to continue. There's potential though in the ZS for sure. And again, if you guys haven't on the TikTok, if you look at the top left, top right, if it says follow, that means you are not following yet. So make sure you guys hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Live trade for you guys every single day for the first 2 hours of market open. So again, if it says follow, it means you're not following yet. Make sure to hit it. Getting super close to testing this 7801, but still not really seeing any sellers. And then NQ is above the level too. What you watching, GD? The CS got super close. Kind of like that NQ break and retest more though. We'll see. Also have a demand on ES at 77.89. Get down there, we can watch that. Remember, 8+ setups. Patience. What EMA do I have on my chart? 21 EMA. 5-minute time frame as well. Is the Globex open? No, I never watched that personally. Got 250 of you on YouTube though. Fire. Fire, fire. All right, let's see if we get below this level on NQ. We're close. Yes, believe it or not, when you stream, there is a delay. Crazy to think, right? Crazy to think there is going to be a delay. See if we close below this pre-market low, though. Hardly. Hardly close below. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. If you look at the top left, top right, if it says follow, that means you are not following yet. So again, everybody on the TikTok, look at that, double check. If you're following, good. If not, make sure to hit the follow button. Be greatly appreciated. I think we should go down and, test this demand. Question is, do we get the entry? Reclaiming that pre-market low. SPY's rejecting off of Friday's low currently. See if we pop back up into that 7801. As always, too, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. Always get you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you can use code Brandon in all caps. BRANDON. Obviously, the goal, help you guys pass your accounts, get you guys payouts, teach you guys patience, discipline, all that good stuff. So again, follow, join me every single day. And if you need those accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you can use code Brandon, BRANDON. What ticker is on my chart? NQ. That's currently what I'm watching. All right. Let's watch this 7801 on ES, but again, the thing I don't really like is NQ still is not below that low. Or not. If ES flushes, though, we have demand at 77.90 or 77.89 that we can watch. What's the news that we have at 10? Let's see, Tesla's not really moving. AMD's not doing a whole lot. Gold's not doing anything. Let's see what Dow is doing. Dow and Russell. Dow is currently bouncing off that lower trend line of the bull flag. Let's see, Russell not doing a whole lot. Nice. Appreciate the follows, everybody. Again, make sure you guys hit that follow button if you haven't already. Top left, top right. Uh, 21 EMA is what I have on this chart, but I use the 8 EMA, 21 EMA, as well as VWAP on my other charts. Then again, if you guys are watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. I'm live over there right now as well. Brandon Trades on the tube. 140,000 subs, 1,800 videos. So again, you should know what the tube is. Brandon Trades, come tap in. 8 EMA and 9 EMA are essentially the same thing. It's pennies of a difference. This ES is definitely going to go lower. Yep. Guess let's see what happens at demand if we get down there. I was watching that 7801. We hit 7,800, but went a little bit higher. It's all right. NQ looks better though, low key. Like I feel like there's higher probability with NQ. With NQ. So stay patient. Wait for this 5-minute candle close below the pre-market low on NQ. Look for a pop up, and then we can look to short. It's ideally what I'm watching. Bouncing back up on ES. I mean, we could probably watch S7801 again, but I'm not really liking it. Again, this is a 5-minute time frame. We got 250 of you on the tube. Fire. Here's the thing, though. We got 250 of you and only 84 likes. So what is that? About like 30 of you guys? Let's try to at least hit like 100, 125 likes on the tube. We're hitting this level now at 7801, but very bullish candle. Very bullish going into it. See if it rejects or if it comes back down below on ES. That pre-market low on NQ's got that strength. Cannot get below it. I don't know. NQ's looking strong. Can't get below that low. ES is still rejecting pre-market low. Two very different setups. Stay patient. It's the only thing we can do. I don't like that 5-minute candle going into that pre-market low on ES. If it was a different kind of candle, then yes, I'd be interested in the shorts, but it's a very bullish candle going straight into it, so no reason to short that. If it rejects, oh well. I execute on Trade I show everything on Thinkorswim because Thinkorswim has the best data. So Trade on a different screen. I say exactly what I'm getting in and out, though. My exact position. Tesla's having a nice move. AMD. Juan, if you go on Tube and you type in Brandon Trades, I got a bunch of videos breaking down how I personally trade. So come tap in. Watch some of the videos, see if it helps you. But Brandon Trades on the Tube. You should know what the Tube is. Tesla's pulling back. NQ's actually looking pretty strong right here. I got you. Alpha trading, I have no idea what that is. So no. Again, too, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps, BRANDON. Always gets you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon. Of course, the CS is going to reject that low, though, with literally zero confirmation to short it. Shocker. Exactly, Andrew. Whereas my profit target, I have no, there's no position on. So I have no profit target. Hopefully news can get us a breakout. What is my strategy? Supply, demand, orb, pre-market high, pre-market low, order flow. Keep it very simple. Keep it simple. Again, if you're watching on the TikTok, got about 150 of you. If you guys look at the top left, top right corner, if it says follow, that means you are not following yet. So make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Again, if it says follow, it means you are not following yet. And Q closed pretty bullish on that candle. I think I'm going to watch this 30-minute orb, everybody. On NQ. As long as we can stay below this low going into 10 o'clock. What should you buy? Something that'll help you sit there and stay patient. Purple line, it says it, pre-market low. See what the market can give us. We're doing good. Doing good, Joseph. Just chilling. Sometimes I'll watch candle closes. Sometimes I'll enter before a candle close. It just, it depends on the scenario. So all depends on scenarios. There's never that one scenario that plays out every time. This QQQ actually looks pretty good for the upside, but I'm gonna wait for this news that we got here in about 3 minutes. I like NQ longs for sure. ES rejected that pre-market low with literally zero confirmation. If it dips down into 77.89, I'll look for a bounce. But I do like the potential for ES upside. Or NQ upside, sorry. Am I buying XST? Zero clue what that is, so no. What's my strategy again? Supply demand, 30-minute orb, pre-market high, pre-market low, confirmation with order flow. That's pretty much it. The SPY options are very, very cheap today. See how much SPX is. Relatively cheaper. But SPY is like really cheap. I think it's just gold moving, to be honest. But it's double topping off that pre-market high. Got news here in 15 seconds. And again, if you guys have not signed up for the free webinar already, make sure you guys do that. If you're watching on the tube, here's the link right here. It's going to be tonight at 7 p.m. EST. If you can't make it, it will be recorded. But there is that link right there. If you're watching on TikTok, the link is in my bio. So if you head on over to my profile, you click on it. There's a link there. It should say BrandonTrades.info/webinar. Sign up. Takes 5 seconds to do so. And again, the webinar will be tonight at 7 p.m. EST. If you can't make it, it will be recorded. Don't worry. Yeah, make sure you guys sign up. Everybody on the tube as well. I dropped the link like 5 times. Can't miss it. 6 times, actually. But yeah, make sure you guys sign up for the free live training. Not there to sell you guys on a mentorship. Honestly, just free education. So, yep, don't miss it. Getting pretty close to this demand on ES 77.89. Who's all signed up for the webinar currently? I'm curious. Tube and TikTok, who signed up? We've only been talking about it for a whole week. Lauren signed up. Who else? Okay, Sean, Erico, Morningstar, Brody, Sunglot. I expect everybody to sign up. It's free. If you're struggling or you're just looking to learn, there's zero reason not to be in there. So I really hope all of you are signed up. You're signed up. You're signed up. Go. Bet. Yeah, let's see if we hit 77.89. If you sign up, make sure to check your promotion folder or your spam if you didn't get the link. Also, if you sign up there, you can copy the link as well. Copy the link and then save it. Bro, we're so close to this level and then we're bouncing 2 points short. Come on, give it to me. I think your trade debate's on drugs, to be honest. You're looking at MES. MES hit it, but not ES. You got to watch it on ES. Come on, you're 2 points off. Yeah, again, if we get a setup and it meets my criteria, I will absolutely take a position. If not, then I'm gonna sit on my hands. What I would do, Joseph, is I would probably do the month to month for now, and then when Black Friday rolls around, they'll have a good discount. Make sure you use my link though, right here, before you get anything. But I wouldn't go with Rhythmic. I would go with, honestly, all you really need is either Global or Global Plus. Global Plus will give you the indicators, Global will not. And then just Bookmap CME data is what I would do. It's like $100 a month, maybe a little over $100 a month. Bro, New York has been so slow. Yeah, make sure you use that link when you get your stuff. Just signed up for the webinar. Fire. Just patiently waiting. Price action should pick back up going into September, though. We should have a really nice next couple months, September to like Thanksgiving time in November. But yeah, these summer months, they're slow. August typically isn't that bad, but currently it's been proving otherwise. How we all doing, Team Bull? Everybody chilling? Staying patient? Or is everybody forcing trades and blowing up? Chilling. Good. Good, good. Down 500. What'd you take? Again, if you guys are watching on the TikTok, make sure to look at that top left, top right. If it says follow, that means you are not following. Make sure to hit that follow button. I live trade every single day for you guys. All you got to do is join. So follow, tap in 30 minutes before market open, and you will see that I am live every single day. Call out all my trades from start to finish, exactly what I'm watching, etc., etc. So again, make sure you guys follow. Bro, we can just not break this level on ES. All right, Q, sorry. Super close to demand on ES, but we can't hit it. Do I trade SPX? No. S&P futures or SPY? No SPX. Can't break this level, bruh. Did I oversleep and like we trade in Asia, or is this supposed to be New York? It's very slow right now. Booking my Japan trip today. I'm excited for that. At least I have something to look forward to besides trading shitty price action. It's gonna be lit. 2 weeks in Japan. Market opens at 10:30 p.m. I'll literally trade 10:30 to 12, pass out, go do whatever for the entire day, trade again, pass out. Same thing. I don't watch anything with Gamma at all. I don't know yet. I'm gonna look at flights. I want to see the Liberty walks. Liberty walks are hard. I'm gonna have to do that to my GTR soon. Gotta do the Liberty walk. So what's up, GD? Not much. You know, I'm sad you're not going to Japan with me. Unbelievable. I'm gonna make Jadon go. I do love GD. It's one way though, one-sided. No, I'll still be on every day. The market opens at 10:30 p.m. there, so I'll just trade 10:30 to midnight and then pass out. In October. Bet, hit me up. Any questions, TikTok and Tube, while we're just chilling, watching this choppy price action? Terrible choppy price action, I should say. Did I get in? No, I haven't taken anything. There's no reason to trades. No reason to take any trades. It's like literally nothing. Not even individuals look good. Let's see. Google. Nothing. Amazon. Nothing. Nvidia. Nothing. Tesla. Nothing. Nice. $77.89 was our demand on ES. It's based off I think a 90-minute. It's a 90-minute zone. So I mean, if we can still get there, I'm watching it. We'll see though, because if we get there, then NQ is going to be breaking that low. So I don't know. No questions while we're chilling? Remember, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Code Brandon, BRANDON. What's on my screen? NASDAQ futures and order flow. Do I trade the same for stocks and options? What do you mean? Like strategy? Yeah, it's the same thing. Same exact setups. So far, 50 minutes into open. Hey, maybe. Heard if you guys scan this barcode price action, it'll give you a free Apex account. You guys should try it out. Yep, put it in. Yeah, I mean, if there's a reaction off of 77.89, I'd be interested, but I have to see how price reacts, to be honest. Because also, if we got down there, we'd be breaking below pre-market low as well as a 30-minute orb on NQ. So, I don't know. Again, if you guys haven't, though, everybody watching on TikTok, look at the top left, top right. It says follow. That means you're not following yet. Make sure to hit that follow button. It would be greatly appreciated. Live trade for you guys every single day. So again, if it says follow, that means you are not following yet. Make sure to hit it. I do have to pee though, so I'll be back in a second. Hold on. Hold on. Don't leave. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Let's see. Okay. Any trades so far? No, none at all. Today is a very good day to practice your patience, everybody. We are super close to the CS level, though. Getting pretty close to it. Still no entry, no. Nothing. Piano Cup next time? Maybe I'll think about it. Then I'm gonna sell it on eBay, listed as Goat P. So close to this level. Gold is nuking today. What are we waiting to see? Price not chopped. But, trade into one of our key levels and then react, but I don't know. We'll see. Super close to demand. I'd also be interested in this 30-minute orb if we broke and retested it for shorts. So we'll see. I typically will sit here for the first hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. If I don't see anything, then I call it. Do we actually close below this orb now? There's a lot of buyers down here. Not a whole lot of sellers. But after, if we're really going to flush, we need to take out 140. I'll take out all the buyers. Again, if you guys look at that top left, top right, it says follow. Make sure to hit it. Be greatly appreciated. Everybody on Tube, make sure to subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. And again, just stay patient. That's all we can do right now. Stay patient and wait. Literally, all the volume is in gold right now. Okay, yes, it's starting to come down. Just go to 89, foo. 89 or 85. Those are my two bounces. The AMD chart is like horrific. That looks terrible. Feel like if AMD breaks out though, whether it be to the upside or to the downside, it's taking the market with it. What's up? You have to make sure that you have the 30-minute orb indicator on, and then that's pretty much it. Make sure you actually have it put on your chart. And update the indicator if you haven't updated it. What? Zero clue what you said, but okay. I've taken no trades today. Can't trade this. Too choppy. Come on, buddy. Let's see, AMD. Again, really close to the level and then bought right back up. I'd honestly prefer to listen to Nickelback than watch this terrible price action. And like that's saying something. That's how bad the price action is. Nickelback's pretty bad, but I would prefer that right now. Ugh. Dang, you guys see you can pass TPT evals in 3 days now instead of 5? That's fire. 3 days instead of 5. Let's see. TPT. You guys want to try out those new TPT accounts? You can use code Brandon, BRANDON. Get you 40% off, no activation fee. Here's a link to TPT. And again, now it's 3 days to pass instead of 5. So there's that link. And again, you can use code Brandon, all caps. I didn't make shit last week. The market was slow. Oh, 50% off with no activation fee right now on TPT, actually. I'm about to buy some of these accounts. Let's see. I'm about to buy some of these. Still waiting for demand. Let's see, 50% off. 50% off. You're not allowed to leave, GD. You have to wait. You have to wait. I don't even know if I'm interested in this demand anymore, to be honest. Keep bouncing super close to it. Again, if you guys haven't seen Take Profit Trader, they currently switched their 5-day to pass to 3 days to pass, as well as 50% off with no activation fee. So if you guys want to try out TPT, you can use code Brandon, BRANDON. Just getting this posted up. And then I'm getting some. I'm getting close to the level. I don't know if I'm going to be interested, though. More interested in the orb, to be honest. We'll see, though. We'll see how the market reacts. We're about 3 points away. I've taken 0 trades. Zero trades today. Team Bull, you guys got questions while we're chilling? Snooze fest. Keep getting super close to this demand and then bouncing literally every time without actually hitting it. Video, let's see. Video's like the only thing moving. They push back those options. Actually, gold doesn't look too bad. Sitting on top of that previous high. Might end up missing it because I don't even have gold pulled up. Does anybody know the gold contracts right now? What are we on? GC. I'm assuming you. No. GCZ. Bet. MGCZ6. Let's watch this next 5-minute candle. Yeah, but the GLD options don't really move a whole lot. I wouldn't say this is like typical August price action, but you know, it is what it is. Typically, it picks up in August or September. So might just have to wait another couple weeks. But it will pick back up until like Thanksgiving. And then typically it'll slow after that. Yeah, I think we might have missed this gold. Unfortunately. Mario, again, for the indicator, you have to have the 30-minute orb indicator on. So if you don't have that on, then you're not going to see it. But if you have it, then send a screenshot in the WAP, and I can help you out. Yep, like I said, TPT is 3-day to pass with 50% off right now. You can use code Brandon. Again, 50% off, no activation fee, 3 days to pass. There we go. God damn, I can't talk. Right there. Oh, boring. We're going to give the market like 15, 20 more minutes to see if it offers us anything. If not, then, I'm probably going to call it a day. Amazon's getting clapped. NQ's coming back up. Yeah, support's bouncing. See how this 5-minute candle closes on gold, and then maybe that pullback into 73. If it can hold there, then I might be interested in taking longs, take it back up in a high day. Maybe. Depends on this 5-minute candle close. Nike stock is at a 12-year low. Nope, no trades. Choppy price action. Can't trade chop. Did you guys take trades yet, Team Bull? Or everybody's staying patient still? Or did everybody fall asleep? Nothing. What do you think of Nike, GD, for long term? It's at like a 12-year low. Nike is finished. Why is Nike canceled? Let's see. Actually lost the yearly 21 EMA for the first time ever this year. $38.50 is like the last spot I have a bounce for it. Honestly, might have a leap for it. If it dips down a little more. Let's stop literally on the opposite side of 38.50. Again, if you guys are watching on TikTok, look at that top left, top right corner. If it says follow, that means you are not following yet. So make sure you guys hit that follow button. I live trade every single day for you guys to call out all my trades start to finish. All my trades. So again, if you guys want to tap in, hit that follow button. If it says follow, you are not following yet. I still want to stick around for like 10 to 20 minutes, everybody, and see. We are still holding that orb high on gold. Peace out, Brody. Now y'all are stuck with me. How's it feel? Yeah, you're stuck with Brando. If you guys didn't see though, TPT is 50% off right now. No activation fee, and they lowered their 5 day to pass to 3 days to pass. So if you guys need some TPT accounts in Team Bull, you can use code Brandon. You have 50% off, no activation fee, and you can pass in 3 days instead of 5. But I do want to stick around a little longer because NQ is starting to curl back up. I want to see if we can make our way back up into that 30-minute orb high at 30,266. Nope, you're stuck, Rob. You're not allowed to leave. The gold contracts right now are or if you're doing the micros, MGCZ6. Z as in zebra. That's the current one. Can't believe I don't like Nickelback. Take profit trader. 50% off. That right there. Yep, I do them both now. Yeah, we got FOMC minutes on Wednesday. Minutes are low-key ass, though. The new accounts. I don't know if it works with wealth charts. I always do trade evade, so I don't know. It says it, though, when you go to buy them. The strategy for dealing with intraday trailing drawdown is literally not oversizing, but then equally not trading minis. Do the micros, scale out of your position. If you use proper and normal size, then you know that intraday drawdown is not going to destroy you, right? Say you have $2,000 of drawdown. You know, if you take an NQ trade, just one contract, and it moves 20 points, you know, and then it pulls back, well, then you just lost 400. There's no reason you should be doing 10 MNQ on intraday trailing drawdown, right? Go like 3 to 5, scale out of your position, move your stop loss up, and look to capture a larger move. Because, you know, getting stopped out, say, you know, it moves 30 points and you're risking 30 points and you scale out of 3. Well, now if 2 of them pull back, that's not going to destroy your intraday trailing drawdown. Now, if you're doing that on a mini and you're up 30 points and then it pulls back, well, there goes 600 of your $2,000 drawdown. You know what I mean? So a lot of people are scared of intraday trailing drawdown. It's literally not that bad if you're not being stupid about it, you know? Hold on, I'll actually pull up an account right now because I want to buy them. I do not see wealth charts on here. But I do everything through Trade Evade, so my favorite's Take Profit. It's always been Take Profit Trader. I don't know. It doesn't say it on the website. Is wealth charts rhythmic data? I just always like TPT more. Daily payouts, they were like one of the first ones that could do that. No consistency rule besides in the eval, just don't do more than 50% of your profits in a single day. The only thing that sucked was that 5-day to pass, but now it's 3. So I guess if it is rhythmic, then yes, but here's all the platforms on Take profit. Take profit trader, and you can use code Brandon, BRANDON. Are we going to short on EU now? No, I have no reason to short. If I start a new prop account, would I pass? I mean, probably. More than likely. Retest the orb on ES. Oh, we actually got close to that demand again. I don't really know how I'm feeling about this demand zone. I typically don't like slow grinds into it. It's typically like a very quick move that I like to see in it into it. So the slow grind, I don't really, not a big fan of. I prefer NQ above this 30-minute orb. I posted multiple screenshots of payouts I've gotten on my Instagram last month. You can go find them if you're that worried. Losing my patience need to work out. Let's see. Wait for this 30-minute orb if we can get up there. Again, watch this 30,266. If we can get up there, everybody. Get a nice move on NQ. All we needed was GD to go to the gym. Gold is still holding that 30-minute orb too with the bull flag. Again, if you're watching on TikTok, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. If it says follow and you're not following, or sorry, if it says follow, that means you're not following. So make sure you guys hit that follow button and tap in every single day, 30 minutes before market open. So actually watch this NQ pullback. QQQ NQ. Like 733 on QQQ is where I'd be interested. Potential longs. I do think I actually want to start adding Nike Getting close to this 38.50. Look at their revenue. Like how you just YOLO 20 SPY contracts just for shits and giggles. I mean, honestly, I think Nike's something I'd start adding for the long term, just looking at this. They have zero debt. I mean, they have debt, but they can literally pay it off very, very easily. Getting this breakout on QQQ here. So I like Nike. Okay. Retesting this 30-minute orb already, which is not ideal. Hopefully it doesn't push. It's probably going to. Yep. I just don't like how we hardly closed above that 30-minute orb and then immediately pulled back and hit it. I'm doing good, no complaints. Just waiting for a trade. It's up to you, Mr. Stuzz. At least take some off, put your stop at break even, and look and see if you can capture more. I don't know why this is showing up. And you could have captured like 20 points. It's nothing. I don't know. I'll probably not end up taking a trade today. I'm adding that Nike though. It's my long term. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. Projecting pretty hard off of it too. I'm personally going to go ahead and call it though. I don't see myself taking a setup today. So 3 trading days, no trades. Nothing Thursday, nothing Friday, and nothing today. Just staying super patient, waiting for the market to stop chopping. But just do the same thing tomorrow, fam. If you guys continue to trade, what you can watch is maybe a pullback into the moving averages because we are squeezing, and then maybe look for a setup there. But yeah, if you guys need accounts, remember, Take Profit Trader is currently 50% off, no activation fee. You can use code Brandon, BRANDON. Then also make sure to sign up for my free webinar that I'm doing tonight. There's that link right there if you guys want to tap into it. So everybody have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Actually, tonight, if you're in the webinar. Peace. All right, TikTok, YouTube, same thing. Make sure you guys hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Take Profit Trader, 50% off, no activation fee. You can use code Brandon, BRANDON. Sign up for my free webinar that I'm doing tonight at 7 p.m. EST. If you can't make it, it will be recorded. So if you're watching on TikTok, the link is in my bio. And if you're watching on YouTube, then the link is in the chat. I just sent it like 4 times. But yeah, everybody have an amazing rest of your day. I'll talk to you guys tonight on the webinar. And if you continue to trade, trade safe, trade smart. Peace.